is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison. So you know you're not dressed appropriately for court, right?
I didn't know that until I got here.
And I know you're probably going to get upset with me about the help that I'm going to give you, but I'm trying to save your life because the last time you use may be the last time you use. You already admitted that you're on heroin.
You won't believe what just went down in this courtroom. Judge Boyd was eye to eye with a defendant who walked in clearly high as a kite. Most judges would have slammed the gavel right then and there. But not this time. Just when everyone expected the harshest sentence, the judge completely flipped the narrative. Instead of punishment, he offered something else, something rare. And now the big question is on the table. Should being under the influence in court mean automatic jail time? Or is there a smarter, more compassionate way to handle moments like this?
All right, so next time you appear in court, you're not allowed to wear the T-straps. If you want to wear that, I know it's hot outside. You'll need to put on a jacket or something. You understand? All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 1728, State of Texas versus Angel Marie Bustos. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Your Honor.
Defense?
All
right. And are you Miss Bustos?
Yes.
Counsel, you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Bustos, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill?
There's no denying it. She's under the influence. You can see it plain as day. But here's the twist. She doesn't look like your typical hardened criminal. There's something in her eyes. Pain, maybe, or just someone who's lost. I'm not one to sugarcoat things. When a judge or defendant deserves heat, I bring it. But this feels different. She's clearly been through hell and addiction. That's the monster she's fighting. Now here's where it gets real. Is she even mentally stable enough to stand trial? If she's found incompetent, this case could come to a screeching halt. But here's what got me. The judge didn't just see a criminal. He saw a person. And that right there, that changes everything.
The last time you use.
Okay.
So I'm going to do $1,000 fine. It's going to be probated. I'm going to give you 6 years deferred adjudication, proof of employment, or SSI within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. We're going to do the UA hotline, going to do a TAP evaluation, felony drug court referral, and Esperanza court referral. That's going to take place in custody. I'm going to ask for 120 sober meetings in 120 days. There should be no contact with Melissa Marie Barrera, Mark Anthony Bustos. Gonna want field visits 1 time per month until further notice, and 200 hours of community service.
Let's be real. Most judges would have locked her up without thinking twice. Showing up high, that's usually an instant trip to jail. But Judge Boyd took a different route. He didn't just see a case number. He saw a human being. And instead of throwing a book at her, he reached for something more powerful. Compassion. In a justice system obsessed with punishment, that kind of empathy is rare. Addiction is tearing lives apart all across America. And the truth is, locking people up hasn't fixed a thing. What if more judges focused on real solutions instead of max sentences? Maybe then we'd start to break this never-ending cycle.
Outcome, I can't have 2 referrals.
No. We'll do felony drug court first.
Okay, thanks.
And if she's not accepted there, which if you're honest with them, they'll accept you.
Okay.
And then if she's not accepted there, we'll do Esperanza court.
Thank you.
All right.
Nothing further.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, I did.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement. Yes.
Outcome, I can't have 2 referrals.
No. We'll do felony drug court first.
Okay, thanks.
And if she's not accepted there, which if you're honest with them, they'll accept you.
Okay.
And then if she's not accepted there, we'll do Esperanza Court.
Thank you.
All right.
Nothing further.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, I did.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. To be we're off the record. To be successful in this court, you need to make sure that you're in contact with probation. If you feel it as though probation is not addressing an issue with you, you can always come in this court. We'll be here.
Okay.
All right. The other thing is, felony drug court is a good program. It's something that you need. You're probably going to need inpatient treatment. But if you are accepted to felony drug court will be monitoring your situation. And they have a judge there, and that judge is Judge Glenn. He'll be monitoring how you're doing. The only time I will see you is if you're graduating, and I'll show up to your graduation, or if they send you back here because they say there's nothing else that they can do.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
And if you want me to show up at your graduation, I will definitely show up to your graduation. Okay?
Thank you.
So what's going to happen today is the deputies are going to take you into custody. If there's anything that you want to see, want to give to your boyfriend, just let them know.
How long is it gonna be?
Yeah.
Because one, you already admitted that you're on heroin. That's not a good thing, because the last time you use could be the last time you use.
Okay.
And because here's the thing, if you could.
I'll be honest with you. I'm usually the first to call out the justice system for being too soft. And when it comes to drug cases, I've seen way too many second chances go to waste. But this time, I have to give credit where it's due. Instead of immediate prison time, she was given 6 years of adjudication for her drug charges. That means she's still accountable. But she's being given a shot at redemption. With 2 kids at home, this might be her turning point. America has a serious addiction crisis, and tossing people behind bars has done little to solve it. What we need is recovery, rehabilitation, hope. This judge seems to understand that. But now comes the hardest part. Will she rise to the occasion or fall back into the same trap? If she pulls through, her story can inspire others to fight their way out too. And let's be honest, we could use more stories like that. What do you think? Was the ruling fair, or did she get off too easy? Let me know in the comments. If you're enjoying this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe. I drop new videos every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.